This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Amazon's trading near the 2900 level on Thursday morning after announcing a 20-for-1 stock split. Taking a look back, the stock topped out right above the 2000 level in 2018, completed this really good-looking cup and handle pattern April 2020, breaking out and entering this very strong uptrend that stalled right up here around the 3550 level in August of 2020. Well, that was really all she wrote. If you take a look from that point, you'll see failed breakout attempts here, here, and then really bad failed breakout attempts here and here. Now the stock got up to about the 3800 level in November. Sellers then took control. See, the first thing they did was break this 50-week moving average. As you can see, this 50-week moving average has guided the progress of the stock all the way back to the end of 2018. So it broke it right here, came down and violated this horizontal support right here, right around the 2900 level, came back up and tested this 50-week just about a month ago. And as you can see, sellers showed up right on time, taking the stock to a new low, about a 20-month low on Wednesday. So the stock's really under a lot of pressure, and perhaps Bezos thought that he had no choice but to try to roll out all of his defenses, and one of which is a stock split. The other problem is the House Judiciary Committee yesterday, just hours before the split call, referred an investigation to the Department of Justice, a criminal investigation of senior executives for, I can't really tell, but probably making illegal statements or so-called illegal statements to Congress over the course of their investigation of competition in digital markets. Now, Bezos would be an obvious target of this investigation, and it could be that they were trying to grab the news cycle from that story by issuing the stock split when they did. So I'm a little bit suspicious about the whole thing. In addition, and finally, stock splits don't really add anything to value. It's being touted that, well, now small investors can buy shares because they don't want to buy a $3,000 stock. They want to buy a $150 stock. The problem is that we live in a fintech world, and if you go to places like Robinhood or anywhere else, you can buy Amazon by the dollar, not by the share. So that share level doesn't really matter as much anymore. So this is more a psychological boost, and Amazon's trying to play on people's emotions, hoping that the fire that hit after Tesla might hit them. But it seems unlikely, given growing headwinds, especially with inflation and the Ukraine.